Hello and welcome back to ALH Success Lines Wellness and Lifestyle channel. In today's beauty edition, I am going to share with you where to apply your perfume. Now, as you know, we have certain pulse points on our bodies, and these are areas that allow heat to generate and as a result allows our perfume to last longer. So sit back, relax. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching. Okay, so the first thing to know is heat activates your perfume. So what you want to do is you want to apply your favorite fragrance on your pulse points. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So for demonstration purposes, I am going to use one of my new fragrances, and this is Nest New York in the scent Paradise. And let me tell you, it is so citrusy and sensual, and I love it. So again, Nest fragrances. Okay, so the first area is behind the ear. Behind the ear. So gently spray behind the ear. Okay, so the second area is on your wrist. On your wrist. And again, you can feel the pulse of your heartbeat on your wrist. So I would spray. On the wrist. Okay, so the third area is inside the elbow. So inside the elbow. So again, we would spray. Inside the elbow. So the fourth and final area is behind the knee. So again, this is the knee and behind the knee. So you gently want to spray behind the knee. So that concludes this video on where to apply your perfume. Thanks so much for watching.